I'm National Marketing Director, Mariven Doy Lungsod, from Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. A solo parent and a rakitira. So before lifestyles, marami po akong pinagkakaabalahan na pwedeng pagkakakitaan. Nag-direct selling, networking, at may traditional business pa. Kumikita din naman, pero grabe ang stress. Buti na lang na-introduce sa akin si Lifestyles year of 2017 through my Angel Upline National Marketing Director Fidelita Iligan. So naimbitahan po ako sa Hope, naghanap ng paraan pagkabukas at ng loan. And I got my Express Direct package. So product of the product kami ng family ko, lalong-lalo na po ako. Kasi ako may asthma, dysmenorrhea, acid reflux, bukol, no? So praise God. Amazing talaga ang lifestyle products kasi lahat ng 'yan nawala na. Kaya ginawa ko po ang business para makainom kami ng libre at makatulong sa mga taong may karamdaman. No, first check ko dito sa lifestyles is 28,000 when I got promoted to regional director. Pinagpatuloy ko ang misyon, nagpaturo, nagpa-mentor, attend functions, and with the help of the franchising kit of GMD Eva Aradelius and my team. No, August of 2021, I got promoted to National Marketing Director and I received my highest check of 300,000 combined. Yes, passive income here in Lifestyles. So free travel, given na po dito sa Lifestyles. I've been to Shercon, Batangas, Baguio, Samal Island. So Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, naikot ko na. No, for the next month of February, I'm so excited kasi isa po ako sa qualifier Hong Kong Disneyland. Yes, with my Lifestyles family. Okay, so ang hindi mababayaran ng pera dito sa Lifestyles ay ang personality growth, no? The person you will become, no? Kung noon hindi ko kayang mag-speaker pero ngayon ay grabe nang dahil yan sa trainings, no? So kung noon nagmumotor lang po ako, nagbabiyahe, pero ngayon naka-drive na po ako sa aking Wigo. Yes or yes, no? Na-acquire ko yan year 2022. Then, my FWD, no? Then my Richwood Homes, no? Last year na-acquire ko 'yan. Tapos turnover na po siya. Yes, no? So, grabe si Lifestyles. Thank you Lifestyles na na-acquire ko 'yan lahat. To all our guests, no? So dear guests, decide now, join us now. You are so blessed that you are invited this morning. Maybe this is the answer to your prayers, no? Amazing na yung products natin. Ang ganda pa ng compensation plan. Ang kulang na lang ay ikaw, no? So if you love your body, drink Lifestyles products. And if you love your family, do the business. No? With that, thank you and good morning.